Sairam children, welcome to EVS class. How are you children? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Let us start Omkaram 3 times before starting the class. Om. 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 Children, Sairam, today we are going to start the new lesson, that is from here to there, chapter number 11. This lesson is about means of transport. People use different means of transport to move from one place to another and also to transport goods. For that, we are going to learn it from our textbook. Let me to take the textbook. See children, is it visible children?
Yes, ma'am. From here to there.
Oh, okay. See, from here it is written from here to there. Means this is related to means of transport, means vehicles. Okay. This is a poem about train. You can read and enjoy this poem. Okay, children. So many things are written here. You can read it and understand it. After that, we are going to the next one. See, some children are sharing their travel from one place to another. What are the vehicles they use to travel? Let us see what they are saying. Come, let us meet some children and find out how they spent their vacation. During their vacation, they went to different places. Okay. So they used different types of vehicles, means of transport. Let us see. This girl is saying, I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from the railway station to his house in a what is this? Yes, it is a bus. But this time, yes, yes. Okay, good. But this time it was a great fun. We went by a metro train. See, this is a metro train which we went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know. See, what are these? These are cars. Cars were running on the road above the tunnel. Okay. So she was sharing this experience, her experience. She traveled metro and bus, and also see how many vehicles are given? 3. Okay. One is bus, one is metro, and another one is car. Now, this boy, what is he saying? It was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking, and playing. We enjoyed a lot. Bhaiya came from America in an what is this? Yes, it is an aeroplane, the fastest means of transport. Okay. America is another country. So, Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine he came from so far but reached here in one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in a palanquin. Palanquin means doll. Okay, this one. People used to lift this one. And these are the two handles. Okay. Now, what is this girl saying? I went to my nanny's house in Kerala. Where she lives, there is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken, what is this? A bus or a car to reach her house. They can go using these two vehicles. Instead, we took a boat or vallam straight to her house. I felt a little strange, but we had fun. So, what are these three means of conveyance here? Transport. This is bus, car, and boat or vallam. Okay. Vallam is the wooden boat used in Kerala. Next one. What is he saying? We went to Shimla during the vacations. The bus, this is bus, moved on zigzag road. It is not a straight road. It was a zigzag road on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distances in Shimla. My dadi would get tired very quickly. Dadi is very old, so she was so tired. What happened then? We would make her ride on the, what is this? Yes, horse. I never got tired. I enjoy walking. The children. Now, this girl is saying, my Khala means aunt lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle. See, what is this? This is bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a, what is this? Yes, this is cycle rickshaw to go to Nani's house. See, what are the vehicles they use? They are bicycle and cycle rickshaw. Okay. Now, this boy, I went to Mamaji's village. Village's life is little different. From the railway station, there is no bus going to his village. So we went in a, what is this? It is bullock cart. Bullocks pulled this cart. It has wooden wheel. See, this one is the wooden wheel. So they went in a bullock cart. He crossed the lush green fields on the way to the village. I loved the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. Okay, these are the bulls. So we can see the bell. When it walks, we can hear the sound of the bell. So we have discussed different types of vehicles, isn't it? What are they? Bus, metro train, here, car, aeroplane, then bus, vallam, wooden boat. Okay. Now, here bus, bicycle and cycle, rickshaw. Here, what is it? It is bullock cart. So, all these are the means of transport. Okay, children. Now, we are going to see the Tata class edge. Let us see Tata class edge. Let me give the school's name. Yes, it is coming. It will take time. Okay, this is our class. Traveling by train. Let us see what is here. Let us see the trains in India. Okay. This is the railway station. You can see benches to sit. These two people are waiting for the train with their luggage. Let us see.
Have you ever traveled by train and heard the constant chuk chuk of its engine? The railways were introduced by the British in India. The first passenger train started between Mumbai to Thane in the year 1853. At first, trains had steam engines. Later, steam engines gave way to diesel and electric engines. Today, Indian Railways has the fourth largest network in the world. There are different types of train services available in India. Let's learn a little more about these services.
These are the different types of trains. Okay, let us see one by one.
Which of these trains is used to carry heavy objects?
See, these are the heavy objects. Which train can be used? This one, metro train, passenger train. Here it is written goods. Goods means things. Okay. So let us click this one.
That's right. A goods train is used to carry heavy things like industrial machinery and farm products.
Goods trains carry heavy things. Okay. Let us see the next one.
Which of these trains is used to connect places within a big city?
Within the big cities, which one will be the goods train, long distance train, metro train? Let us click this one. Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
The metro railway is used to carry people from one point in the city to another. It is currently operational in Delhi and Kolkata.
Next one.
Which of these trains is used as a mode of transport in hilly areas?
Children, in hilly areas, people use toy cars. Okay. Let us see.
That's right. A narrow gauge train, also known as a toy train, is used in hilly terrains. So, now you know about the different types of trains in our country.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us see another one. Yes. See, here we have to see the modes of ways of transport. Okay, children? So, picture is given, some letters are missing. So, we have to complete it. Let us see what is this. What is this? All of you know. Yes, it is a
Car.
car. So, C. Yes, very good. So, we have to write it here, C, A. Now, next one. I am a dash. What is this? Yes, scooter. Very good. So we have to write S is here. C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. What is this? It has two wheels, isn't it? So it is a bicycle. What is it called? Bicycle. What is the spelling? B. It is already there. I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. What is this, children? The fastest means of transport. Yes, it is an aeroplane. Let us see what is the spelling. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Next. What is this? This is the picture of a train. Actually, this is the engine bar, but it represents the picture of a train. What is the spelling? T-R-A-I-N. Train. Who am I? I am a, yes, helicopter. H-E-L. Very good, very good. L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. helicopter. What is this? It is a, yes, I am a ship. Okay, let us see. What is the spelling? Yes, H-I-P. What is this? Yes, it is a ship. Waterways. Okay, it runs on water. Okay, so it is waterways transport. Okay, children. Yes, H-I-P. Ship. What is this? It has three tires. We cannot see the other tire that is at opposite side of this one. No, it
Auto
has
rickshaw.
three tires. What is very good? Auto rickshaw. AEAUTORICKSHAW. Auto rickshaw. Yes, very good. What is this? It makes a lot of noise. Yes, motorcycle. Boys like it very much, isn't it? Okay, boys ride this motorcycle. Okay, so let us see.
Motorbike,
MOTORBIKE. Okay,
motorbike,
see. Okay. Here it is written motorbike. 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 Okay, children. You are correct. Very good. You are very attentive. Now, what is this? This is a cycle. But it has how many wheels? See, 3 wheels and a seat for the passengers to sit. What is this? Cycle rickshaw. What is the spelling? CYCLERICKSHAW. Cycle rickshaw. Okay, children. So, do you understand? Let us see the names. Okay. You are right. It is motorbike. Correct. See, car, scooter, bicycle, aeroplane, train, helicopter, ship, auto rickshaw, motorbike, cycle rickshaw. All these are the means of transport, the vehicle that we use to travel from one place to another. Okay, children. Now, next one. This is a video. How should we travel?
We like to travel. Help us choose the best way to travel. Can you tell me the best way to travel to school each day?
He wants to go to school. Let us help him. Which vehicle? School bus, aeroplane, ship. Which one? It might be school bus. He is going to school, is it? So let us see.
Hooray! The school bus takes me to school. Fasten safe. That's the rule.
Next.
We're going to a city far, far away. Bicycle, ship, or train, which is the best way?
For long distance, is it possible? No. This one, it may be like, but they are going inside the country. So let us see this one.
That's right. A bicycle's too slow. A ship can't go on land. A train is the best way to go.
Next one.
Car, boat, or bicycle? Tell me how to go. My friends are waiting in the park, so I can't be slow.
He wants to go to park to meet his friends. They are decided to play. No? So which vehicle he likes to take from this one, this one, this one? Yes. Let us see.
Hooray! I can cycle to the park, but I must be home before it's dark.
Next.
I am going with my family for a picnic. Tell me a way to travel easy and quick.
Which one? Yes, for quick journey. Which one? Let us
That's
see.
right. If you travel by car, you can go near or far. I will miss my mom when she is not at home. She is going to Moscow. How will she go?
She is going abroad. So which one is the easiest one, fastest one? Let us see. Yes, aeroplane. Let us click.
Hooray! An aeroplane can fly in the sky fast and high.
Next.
I'm going to make a trip across the sea. Ship, car, or bicycle. What is best for me?
She has to travel across the sea. So which one? Yes, ship. Let us see.
That's right. I want to sail on the sea, so a ship is best for me.
Children, did you enjoy this one? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
another, very good. Another video. Let me see. Is it playing or not? Okay. Oh. Yes. You have to listen the sound of the vehicles. Okay. And after that, a list of vehicles name are given. You have to select the correct and write in your rough book. Okay, children? So you have to listen it carefully. So this is the list for you. You can check the correct answer from here and write in your rough notebook. Okay, children? Okay, so we are going to stop today's class. Okay, children? We will do Shanti part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.